This short subject tutorial will cover the making of a camera. So in our simple scene, we have the Maison Domino and a target light. Now we need to make a target camera. Go to Starburst, Camera, Target, click to activate your viewport, which is the top. Click to place the camera, and then click and drag. When you let go, you're placing the target. If you go into your perspective viewport, we can change that so we can see the view from the camera. When you create the camera, you notice it's at elevation 0. So it's essential for us to move the camera upward. You can also use your transform type in tools if you want to get your precise eye level. And then as you change the camera, you can see the direct results in your camera viewport. So adjust this as necessary using the move tool. Now you'd like to move the target because we're staring at the ground. If you move your mouse over the target, you notice it'll start to highlight the object it will select. So if you zoom in, you can click and then drag and move that upward so you're no longer staring at the ground. And I'll just adjust the camera here. Pick tool, highlight the camera, move, and then adjust. File save. Make that viewport active, and then render to check my view. Now, the background is black. So if you go to Render Setup, Environment, click the color, and you can change the background color to something more appealing. We're just using simple colors now. Later on we'll be able to use images as backgrounds. Render the teapot. Okay, now the shadows are incredibly dark, solid, and black. So let's modify the shadows so that they are more realistic. You need to go here to the shadow parameters. After you've selected the light and hit the modify tool, you can change the color. For those of you who have studied painting, you can adjust your color. You can see that the changes are showing in the realistic camera viewport, a bit more transparent with a violent cast. We rendered the top view. It's probably by mistake. Activate your camera viewport, and here you go. So do notice though that the fall off of your light, so you might want to adjust that in the future.